Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FuboTV account and manage profiles step by step clearly. To log into your FuboTV account, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the FuboTV website by typing fubo.tv in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to a login page where you will need to enter your credentials. Type in your registered email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. If you want the website to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. Once all information is filled in, click the login button to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After logging in successfully, you will find yourself on the FuboTV dashboard. To manage profiles, look for your account icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your account icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Manage Profiles from the list of options. In the Profiles section, you will see existing profiles listed. To add a new profile, click on the Add Profile button. You will be prompted to enter a name for the new profile. Customize the profile settings according to your preferences. After entering the details, click Save to create the new profile. To edit an existing profile, click on the profile you wish to change. Make the necessary adjustments and then click Save Changes. If you want to delete a profile, select the profile and click on the Delete option. Confirm the deletion when prompted to remove the profile permanently. Once you finish managing profiles, click the account icon again to exit the management area. You are now ready to enjoy your FuboTV experience with the profiles tailored to your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.